Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen, y'all. It is a rainy day, and I am going to be making a little treat for us. Some corn nuggets. Some people might call them corn fritters, but they are some nuggets. And my family absolutely loves some nuggets from, you know, that little barbecue joint in Walterboro that we talked about with the hash. Same one. So we are going to be making some corn nuggets today. I have got some just plain cornmeal, some plain flour, some corn. I got some a little bit of sugar. I got a gnat that's flying. It's not going in.
That's not going in.
It's not going in it. I promise. I promise. Yeah. So let's start off by, I guess, mixing our little dry ingredients. So we're going to start with a half a cup of cornmeal. I was about to do a big old healthy one here.
That's regular cornmeal? This
is regular, plain cornmeal. It is not self-fried.
See, I'm learning, man.
He is. He's doing real good.
Yeah.
Real good. Now, I'm going to just dump this in here because I done had it all up in the cornmeal.
I'm like the apprentice in here.
He is, my goodness. A half a cup of just all-purpose, unleaded flour. Ain't got nothing in it. All-purpose. All right, now we are going to add a teaspoon of baking powder in here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I give this a little mix up. A little salt. Little pepper. Now if you want to add a little something to yours like cayenne pepper or anything, you do you. So alright, got my hair in my eyes, y'all, looking like a wonky donkey today, but it's gonna be alright. Y'all ain't here to look at me. Alright, we've got this all mixed up, and we just gonna, oh, I got some sugar too. I did not mix that in. It calls for about a half cup of sugar, but I'm not going to do quite that because the corn is sweet too. So you just do what you want to do. I did about a quarter cup. All right, got that all mixed up. Get all this stuff here. Now we're going to get in that corn. You want 1 can of the cream corn. So we're going to put that in here. I was just telling Russ, a lot of people freeze these little balls first, but we will just go in there without freezing them at first and give it a whirl.
See how they do.
See how it do. If they don't behave, I'll change it up a little bit. And this calls for 1 can of corn. I've got the frozen corn. It said to use the frozen corn, and it is still cold. So I'm assuming this is about a can. Let's see. Yeah, I'm assuming it is. We're gonna pretend it is, even if it ain't. How about that?
It looks about right to me.
We're gonna give that a little mix too. Now calls for 1 egg white. I've separated it, just 1 egg white. We're gonna throw that in here. Give that a little mix up. And I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm making racket. Just getting it mixed up. Alright, now we are going to take the dry ingredients and just scoot them on in here. Mix it all together. I still have a little milk too. It says just 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. We don't want it to be too loose. All loosey-goosey and fall apart in the pan. Now, I don't think I'm going to add no milk because look at that. I think it's, in fact, I might add just a little more flour, or, let's see, let me see what we're looking at. I don't want them to fall apart in the pan, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you want your nugget to be a nugget.
I want my nugget, yes. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more flour. Flour or cornmeal? I'm going to put just a little dash more. I just want it to be kind of thick and hold up. So y'all know how I eyeball stuff. All right, now I've got my grease behind me, honey. She's getting hot, and I just got a little pan of it there because I didn't want to waste a whole big pot of oil. Just being honest. So I'm gonna put a little bit more black pepper in this because we like a little sass.
Yeah, we like a little.
Yeah, we do just a little bit. And I think that's gonna do it. It's looking like batter, don't it?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right. Let's get this stuff dropped in this hot grease and see what we got. All right, I got my grease to about 350. I stuck my finger in it. No.
It's a popping and popping and knocking over.
She's sassy. All right, now I've got, I use this for hush puppies, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to try it with this. Now I'm just going to put one in. We're going to test it and see if it don't fall apart on us. See what we got. See what we're working with. Give it a little turn. I don't want to mess with it too much, but it's looking like.
Looks like a nugget to me, man.
Yes, indeed. I think it's going to be doing just fine.
I think that's going to work.
I think so. We're going to give it a roll. Oh, look how golden that looks. Oh, yes. Look at there.
It looks pretty good.
Now, when you frying stuff like this, you don't want to crowd your pan. I'm clearly going to put more than one in there.
Yeah, well, I don't think we want to do one at a time,
we're not
but
going to do
still.
one. This is just a little trial. You know, it's like the ugly pancake, you know.
Yeah, the first one, yeah.
First one's always
the trial
ugly.
run.
Yes.
I don't think that's ugly, though. Look,
I don't think it is.
Pretty good. That looks like a corn nugget, y'all. It looks a little nuggety to me.
All right, we're going to go in. Go in with a few more. Yummy. And, look at there, we didn't even freeze them.
Man.
I'm sure they work a little better, probably.
They probably will hold up better frozen. But
yes, but look.
if you got a scooper.
Oh, look at that. As soon as that one over there on the grid gets cool, honey, we're going to bust him open and see what it looks like on the inside.
Well, I'm going to tell you what it looks like in that grease.
Woo.
They're looking like heaven.
It's hopping.
They're looking pretty
Popping
good.
and popping.
She's looking pretty good to me.
She's sassy. We'll give them a little flip. Look at them just rolling around in that grease full of happiness.
Man. Yeah. I like it. I like it so far.
All right. I'm going to take it out. I probably should have my little other little spatula thingy, but it's doing pretty good with this old big spoon. I like my old big spoon. I use it for a lot of stuff. Look at there. Y'all, I think it's going to work out just fine.
It looks pretty good to me.
All right, there's the 4. We're going to keep on getting it. And I think I'm going to make just a little honey butter.
Ooh, I like honey butter too.
I know. But you can dip these in all kind of stuff. This is perfect besides barbecue. Like I said, we get them at that barbecue place.
That's where you see them at a lot, is the barbecue restaurant.
I'm going to go for 4. How about that?
Ooh, look at you being
I'm going to go for 4.
all frisky.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go. You don't want to overcrowd anytime you're cooking something like this. And y'all, I went with this little pan because, like I said, oil can be expensive. And if I'd have messed them up, I'd been like, I'd have messed up all that oil.
Man,
So,
looking pretty good.
they are rolling around in that grease, honey. Ain't got a worry in the world. This
I
corn,
wouldn't say you ain't got a freeze.
no.
That's going to be my take on it. My novice take on it.
Now, those little corn kernels I got out the frozen section, they were still cold. So,
That probably helped.
it probably helped. They weren't frozen, but they were still cold. They were still
right.
cold. All right, y'all, I just opened one. the first one, and it was not ready. It's still a little runny in the middle, so we are going to cook these just a little longer. So I might just turn my oil down just a hair because we don't want them to burn. And just get them good and cooked on the inside. Try the first one. That's why I peeked into it real quick to see what I got.
Test it out.
See what I'm working with.
Yeah.
But I'm letting these cook just a little longer. Okay, y'all, just like that, our little golden nuggets are all ready.
Man, they look good.
Ready for the tasting.
Yummy.
I have, of course, sampled. Taste your food. But
That is the only way to know they're good.
That is the only way to know. That's exactly right. I always say taste your food.
Yeah.
So
and to know it's safe for the kids.
Yes.
And the hubby.
Yes, that's right. Mama tax.
Mama tax. There you go.
That's what my son tells his little babies when they got candy
And
or
what do
something.
we got here?
That's honey butter.
Okay.
A little honey butter.
Honey butter. She whooped that up while I wasn't in the room, y'all. I had to find out what it was. Well, we're going to put a little bit on there.
It is delicious on there too.
It looks fantastic.
Down the hatch it goes. They're good, aren't they?
It's fantastic.
A little crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Crunchy, sweet.
Crunchy. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, man.
Not too sweet, but
No, it's
just
good.
sweet
It's fantastic.
enough. Yes.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
it's
good
what you would
stuff.
expect. Just like what you get at a barbecue joint or
Mm-hmm.
yeah. That's where most of the time where you find corn nuggets around here in barbecue restaurants.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you
Barbecue or seafood. I've seen it at
seafood restaurants,
too.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's up right there, y'all.
Yes.
You ain't had none of these, you don't know what you
Good old corn nuggets.
Get in there and do it up, y'all.
Uh-huh.
I'm on. Ooh, yeah.
I just text my son, sending a picture of my corn nuggets. They love, my babies love some corn nuggets.
Yeah. We'll probably buy.
I don't know. But we got plenty if he does. If he does.
We do have plenty.
Mm-hmm. But this is a really simple recipe, y'all. Y'all saw how fast it was to whip it up.
Yeah.
Fried up in no time. And I did not have to freeze it like everybody suggested. Right in the pot it went.
Mm-hmm.
My corn was cold, but not the can, so still worked out just fine.
Delicious.
Perfect.
Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Crunchy.
It is.
And inside is good and good texture too. Very good texture.
Just check that first one because that very first one that was just so beautifully golden brown, it was still a little raw on the inside. I was like, we gotta let them go just a little bit longer. So I didn't time how long, but you can, you know, if you cook and test things, obviously, just test the first one. Make sure that's what it's there for. That first one.
Yeah.
Little trial run.
Fantastic.
Yes. But anyway,
Corn nuggets, y'all.
Good old corn nuggets.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a southern delight.
It is.
Yeah.
It really is. See these all over the place.
All over around where we at, we do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Our neck of the woods.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Indeed.
Let us know if it's a thing where you live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holla at us, y'all.
Yeah.
Thank y'all so much for everybody that does comment.
Yes, we appreciate it.
Because we don't know you're there unless you do.
That's right.
Stop and
We
say
appreciate
hello.
everybody that watches, and you don't have to comment.
No.
And
we're not trying to put you on the spot
no,
or
we're
nothing.
not.
You
We're
ain't
not.
got it.
And the ones that subscribe and like and all that, we appreciate that. And even if you don't, we appreciate you watching. We do. All of you. We appreciate every single one of you.
No matter what you're doing.
Yes, exactly
And our
right.
little,
The people that take time to watch us, we appreciate all of you. Every single one.
We do. And our little part of the internet, our little corner.
That's right.
Our little corner.
We want to invite y'all into our kitchen. We want to make y'all feel like y'all are right in here with us.
Yes.
And
I wish you were. I wish you can just
that's
feed
exactly
everybody
right.
out.
That's what we hope for.
Listen, baby, get
you one of these corn nuggets and try it. Sit down, have you a big old glass of tea. And
what can I get you?
Yeah,
that's right.
Yep.
Anyway. But thank you so much,
Yep.
as always. And until next time.